when I fell in love with cinema and acting, I was very little. And what I loved about it, about the performances that I was watching, that the same person was, is different in different films. Showing it to me, I'll have a fight with you.
I can't believe this. I can't believe this.
हेलो, मैं हूं मनोज बाजपेयी और आप देख रहे हैं मुझे स्तुति के साथ। और बताओ।
मेरा नाम है स्तुति और मेरी गेस्ट का नाम काफी है, नाम में ही। मनोज बाजपेयी विद मी टुडे। थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग ऑन और बताओ।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
आई थिंक दिस समथिंग स्पेशल इन यू कि आपके हर कैरेक्टर जो बंदा है वो याद रहता है हमें। Whether it's Gali Guliyan, whether it's you in any of the films, in Family Man, in your shows, how do you manage कि हम बाकी चीजें भूल जाएं पर आप हमें याद रखें?
I don't know. I don't try anything extra to really make that happen. लेकिन I've been lucky. कहूँ कि चाहे मैंने वो स्वाभिमान किया था बहुत साल पहले, तो उसमें मैं लॉयर सुनील बनता था, वकील। और वो सुनील जो है घर घर में बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया था। तो ज़्यादातर जो है औरतें देखती थी आफ्टरनून में, और कहीं भी जाता था तो कम से कम लोग चाय और खाने पे ज़रूर बुलाते थे। जैसे दिल्ली वगैरह जाते थे हम लोग, सुनील है। वहाँ से जो सिलसिला शुरू हुआ, देन बीकू महात्रे बिकेम सच एन, बट इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू कम आउट ऑफ बीकू महात्रे शैडो। Then what happened with Kaun's character, that it didn't have a name. So people used to shout at me, ma'am, wherever I used to go, they used to say, ma'am. So, and then it still continues with Family Man and all of those films. But I personally don't try. I just try to be very, very faithful to the script and the character. पता नहीं, वो कुछ ऊपर वाले की दुआ है कि ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है।
नहीं, आपकी प्रोसेस को तो हम डिस्कस करेंगे, बट मनोज आपको पता होगा जनरली जर्नलिस्ट को बोला जाता है ज़्यादा मैं नहीं लाना चाहिए, बट आप मेरे तो फेवरेट हैं। एंड एवरी टाइम आई इंटरव्यू यू, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक आई वांट टू लर्न समथिंग फ्रॉम यू। आई आस्क यू सम वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चंस कि आप कैसे, आप इतने सम कैसे रहते हैं? हाउ इज देयर स्टिल ग्रीड ओनली फॉर गुड वर्क एंड नथिंग एल्स? हाउ डू यू मैनेज टू कीप दैट इंटैक्ट? दैट I think which is what sets you apart from the rest.
I don't know. When I fell in love with cinema and acting, I was very little. I was around 9 years old or 10 years old, if I remember it correctly. And what I loved about it, about the performances that I was watching, that the same person was, is different in different films. And that time I decided that this is what I want to do. I want to express myself differently in every film. Also, I was a very quiet, reserved, less words kind of a child, and always into my own self. So, and very shy, very very shy. I still am. लेकिन वो ज़्यादा मुझे indulgent नहीं होने देता है ये जो पूरी एक्टिविटी है। तो मुझे लगा था कि this is what I want to do, this is where I'm good at, this is where I can express myself. And till now, it's still the same. Here, when I'm talking, it's a job that I have to do. But if you sit with me in a room, you will see that there will be many pauses because I really don't know what to talk about. Many times I feel that I have to ask this to you, and I feel that no, she must be knowing about it. Why should I be an idiot to ask this? So I think because of my own shyness, that I got into playing different roles, and this is where I love the experience of acting. That I can be Solanki, I can be Arun Batra in Golmohar. I just feel so good, so good about myself when I pull it off.
Like I said, consider me a fan. I've read all your interviews. I've heard all your interviews. और आपने एक बार बात की थी about stardom, where you compared it to what an Amitabh Bachchan और शाहरुख खान experience. And आपने बहुत एक distinction किया कि आप वहाँ नहीं हैं। तो जब वो 9 साल का बच्चा मनोज देख रहा था, तो was it not the stardom that you ever got attracted?
I was completely awestruck by Mr. Bachchan. I mean, no lying here. I was completely awestruck by him. But when I traveled to Delhi and started doing theatre, and that is when I realized that it's a very scientific craft. And anyone can learn it, you know, provided that person is really ready to, you know, throw himself in learning this one. You really have to burn yourself if you really want to learn it. Yes, God's gift is there. God's gift is there only till a point. कि भाई होता क्या है कि एक मैं मैथमेटिक्स में बहुत अच्छा हूँ. अब मैं पढ़ाई नहीं करूँगा तो इंजीनियरिंग कैसे मैं दाखिला लूँगा. वही चीज़ एक्टर के लिए है कि भले ही भगवान ने आपको एक अंदर में आपके एक काबिलियत दी है, बट इफ़ यू डोंट वर्क ऑन इट यू कांट अचीव इट, यू कांट अचीव द फिनेस ऑफ इट. अमित जी हुए या सलमान या शाहरुख, जब उनको लोग देखते हैं तो चिल्लाते हैं, चीखते हैं, अपने कपड़े फाड़ लेते हैं. मैंने थिएटर के दौरान ही रियलाइज़ किया कि ये मेरे साथ नहीं होने वाला है, क्योंकि उसके लिए भगवान कुछ और देता है लोगों में, एक खास तरह की पर्सनालिटी देता है, खास तरीके का चार्म देता है. दैट गॉड हैज़ नॉट गिवन इट टू मी. सो हाउ शुड आई कॉम्पनसेट इट? आई कैन ओनली कॉम्पनसेट इट बाय लर्निंग द क्राफ्ट वेल एंड डू इट डिफरेंटली and expect something else from my own self, and not really blindly follow all the stars path who people are mad after. Thank God that good sense prevailed. Thank God for that, because only because of that realization I could play all of these various kind of roles. People meet me very nicely. They sit with me. They give so much of love. They give lot of respect, and this is what I get wherever I go, sitting in the flight, or at the airport, or in the market, or outside this hotel. So the expression of their appreciation is completely different towards me.
Right. कई बार मुझे लगता है मनोज यू आर वेरी टफ ऑन योर सेल्फ. जितना आप प्रिपेयर करते हैं, जिस तरीके से आप कैरेक्टर्स चुनते हैं, आपसे अगर मैं पूछूं आपका फेवरेट किरदार जो आपने निभाया कि आप खुद से खुश हो गए, वो कौन सा किरदार?
अच्छा, जल्दी मैं खुश होता नहीं हूँ.
वही मुझे पता है. नो इट्स
क्योंकि मैं मेरे बहुत सारे मेरे कुछ डायरेक्टर्स हैं हाल फिलहाल में, उन्होंने ज़बरदस्ती मुझे दिखाई. जैसे गुलमोहर के डायरेक्टर ने मुझे ज़बरदस्ती दिखाया, राहुल चिटेला ने, कि गुल नहीं देखना ही है, आपको देखना है. मैं बैठ गया देखने के लिए. मैंने कहा मत दिखाओ.
आप अपनी परफॉर्मेंस नहीं
देखता क्योंकि आई एम ब्रूटल.
What are you saying?
I am brutal with
you didn't like yourself in Gulmohar?
No. So I came out and he said, how was it? I said, and I meant it with all my heart. I said, the only weakness in your film is Manoj Bajpayee.
What are you saying?
And he said, I'm ready to debate that. I'm ready to debate that, sir. No, you are too hard on yourself. And no, I said, no, Rahul, you should have saved my performance. What did you do? And then the whole conversation turned into such a bizarre thing that after a point I withdrew myself. I said, that is why I told you not to show it to me. I'm too brutal on myself. And the same thing has happened in Rotterdam. Joram was getting screened, and Devashish Makhija, he kind of insisted that I should watch it with everyone. I watched the film. Next day, I couldn't sleep. I literally couldn't sleep. Maybe I must have slept 2 hours early in the morning. I was disturbed after watching it. I went to him. I said, "You ruined my performance."
What?
You ruined it. It is, no. Why did you cut that scene? Why did you cut that scene? My performance is not good. And he was just looking at me. Poor guy. He was
shocked.
also
looking at you.
He was shocked. He said, "But sir, everyone is. They are going bonkers." I said, "No, I know what I have done. I don't go by people's appreciation." And I am requesting through you. I'm requesting Apurva, please don't insist on showing it to me. I'll have a fight with you.
I can't believe this. तो कौन सी परफॉर्मेंस है जो आपको लगता है चलो ठीक ठाक करी है मैंने?
गली गुलिया.
Yeah, that I agree. That's I think such a tough.
Why? Because Gali Guliya is the toughest role any actor could do.
Agree.
Believe me.
Yeah.
Because it's not about linear thinking. that man is not thinking linear at all, and there are 1,000 thoughts going in his head. And the preparation went to an extent where my wife said that please take care of yourself. I think you are going somewhere which is not a right place, because she saw me talking to myself in the house.
Wow.
And after that, I really don't remember many things of the shoot because I was not there. 29th day, I started sensing whistle in my ear, and I went up to my director and said that this is what is happening. He immediately called up his doctor, and his doctor said that give him Campos right now and stop the shoot. So they gave me Campos. They made me sleep in one of those rooms there in Chandni Chowk, and I slept for 8 hours. 8-9 hours I slept. Nobody disturbed me. I woke up late in the night and I found myself in that room, and I didn't know why I was there. But now the whistle wasn't there, So yes, that was tough, and not only me, no actor could achieve the result without really going there for that kind of a role. If you see Machinist also, even Christian Bale has gone completely bonkers. You can't achieve it. There is no other way that you can achieve those characters.
Manoj, आपके performances तो of course you have a completely loyal fan following, but आजकल जो बहुत वायरल हो रहे हैं ना वो आपके रील्स हैं. I don't know आपने खुद देखे हैं नहीं, but आपने जहाँ कुछ बोला है, चाहे वो शहरों के बारे में हो, दिल्ली, बिहार, बनारस के बारे में हो, या अपने स्ट्रगल, अपने लाइफ जर्नी के बारे में हो. एंड आई रिमेंबर एक बार मैंने आपको रिक्वेस्ट करी थी, एंड यू वर वेरी ग्रेशियस व्हेन आई सेड मनोज आप ना थोड़ी मोटिवेशनल स्पीच देना प्लीज़. और आपने मुझे तब एक लाइन बोली थी कि ये मजाक नहीं है, ये लोग रोमांटिसाइज करते हैं स्ट्रगल को, एंड आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट. एंड देयर वाज अ पेन इन योर वॉइस बिकॉज यू हैड गॉन थ्रू दैट. My final question to you, because I know a lot of people who are watching this interview would want to know this. You've managed to hold your own in an industry जहाँ पे मतलब फ्राइडे टू फ्राइडे फॉर्च्यून्स बदल रहे हैं, मूड्स बदल रहे हैं, सब कुछ चेंज हो रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
How do you today treat competition or look at competition? How do you not get affected by कि अरे वो ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हो रहा है, या ज़्यादा अवार्ड्स मिल रहे हैं, या ज़्यादा नाम हो रहा है, and I deserve it because of just the sheer hard work that I put into anything?
I don't know. जैसे ही मेरा रास्ता अलग हुआ तब मुझे लगा कि मेरे कैरेक्टर्स जो हैं वो मुझसे इतना डिमांड कर रहे हैं, फोकस डिमांड कर रहे हैं कि मेरे पास किसी और चीज़ के लिए जगह नहीं है. दूसरा, मैं बहुत ईमानदारी से एक बात कह रहा हूँ आपको. टू थिंक दैट आई एम द ओनली गॉड्स चाइल्ड इज really choosing to live in fool's world. There are many God's children, okay, and everyone is blessed with some quality or the other, or with some luck or the other, and it's good that so many of those children are gifted and working so well. My job is to learn from them, be it Nawaz, be it Irfan, be it K.K. Menon, who I really admire, Neeraj Kavi. I think his craft is impeccable. I have been learning from them, and these are all God's gifted children. So I look up to them and their work. I learn from them, and I'm saying it with all earnestness.
But ये बहुत बड़ी बात है जो आपने बोली. Do you never get?
I don't get. I don't feel jealous of any actor who are doing well or who are really gifted. Rather, I feel very lucky that I'm getting to see those performances to learn from them. The other day, I met Vijay Verma, whose performance I loved in Darling. And I told him that I learned so much from your performance that in one of my performance, I will chipkao your, approach, and you will never come to know about it.
wow. So आप दूसरों की परफॉर्मेंस देख लेते हैं, अपनी नहीं देखते हैं?
ना, मैं नहीं देखता क्योंकि इतनी कोफ्त होती है. एक और परफॉर्मेंस मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी और जो कि मैंने कई बार देखी, मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आया था. वो थी वो सत्या. सत्या की बड़ी स्क्रीनिंग हुए, 30-35 स्क्रीनिंग यहाँ पे, बिकॉज इट वॉज अ कल्ट. सडनली बिफोर रिलीज इट वॉज डिक्लेयर्ड अ कल्ट. सो मैं सारी स्क्रीनिंग में बैठ के देखता था और मैं आश्चर्य करता था कि क्या ये मैं हूँ, कि इतनी एनर्जी
Yeah.
इस तरीके का एंगर, इस तरीके की अनप्रिडिक्टेबिलिटी, ये मैं कर सकता हूँ क्या, कैसे कर गया मैं. So 2-3 performances where I felt that it was, it was difficult to really believe that it was me on the screen.
It's always such a pleasure. I get to learn so much from you. Thank you,
Thank you.
Manoj, for your time.
Thank you very much.